If you're a creator, entrepreneur, student, or professional looking for an easier way to turn ideas into polished content, Gamma AI is a tool you should know about. Gamma AI is an AI powered content creation tool designed to help you produce high quality presentations, documents, and visuals quickly and efficiently without needing advanced design skills. One of the biggest advantages of Gamma AI as a content creation tool is speed. Creating professional content manually can take hours. Designing slides, organizing your points, and choosing visuals can be exhausting. With Gamma AI, you simply input your ideas, and the AI automatically generates polished, structured, and visually appealing content. This lets you focus on your message rather than spending hours on formatting or design. Another major benefit is ease of use. Gamma AI is beginner friendly, which makes it perfect for anyone, regardless of experience. The platform guides you step by step, suggesting layouts, fonts, visuals, and even content organization. Whether you're preparing a school project, a client presentation, or social media content, Gamma AI helps ensure your work looks professional. Gamma AI also offers customization and flexibility. Even though it automates much of the design and structuring process, you still have the freedom to adjust colors, fonts, images, and layouts to match your personal style or brand. This makes your content unique while still benefiting from AI assistance. Another standout feature is smart content organization. Gamma AI helps structure your ideas logically, highlights key points, and ensures your audience can follow your message easily. This is especially valuable for business pitches, educational content, training materials, or any scenario where clarity is critical. Imagine needing to create a last-minute presentation for a client or a project. With Gamma AI, you can quickly turn your notes into professional slides that look like they took hours to create. This not only saves time, but also elevates the quality of your content, helping you make a stronger impression. So, whether you're a student, teacher, freelancer, small business owner, or content creator, Gamma AI is a powerful content creation tool that simplifies your workflow, improves efficiency, and helps you produce professional quality work faster. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Try Gamma AI today and see how it can transform the way you create, organize, and present your ideas.